It's my first time attending this Congress and I have one word, so impressive. The organization is super. It has been really easy as a guest, as a speaker, to be part of this 2 days journey.
I really enjoy this event because I know many of those companies that are also here sharing their ideas on how they're better in planning or creating manufacturing, and there are very interesting insights, and it's a joy to exchange ideas with colleagues.
What really stands out is really the support in the lead generating process, so also the account manager is constantly supporting to generate new prospects.
It's a good opportunity, I believe, to have this kind of congress and to have the opportunity to meet with such a lot of providers at the same time.
Biggest benefit for us has got to be brand awareness, getting exposure to a lot of different pharmaceutical companies that are coming to the event. Names like Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson and GSK and everyone else is here.
It is quite professionally organized events, actually one of the best ones that I've ever attended.
I'm really positive impressed how everything is organized, how the meetings with services providers, equipment providers, and really nice discussions, really interesting topics. So
I think that it is what the markets needs today. I mean, not so crowded events, but people who are here are very interested in finding their approach to the new trends.
So working with my personal manager has been amazing. They've been extremely helpful to coordinate back-to-back or business-to-business meetings and coordinate with my team to ensure that we can actually meet with them and have a productive sit-down conversation.
It was, I think, very good organization and also very nice networking yesterday evening at a gala dinner, so very good idea.